I just started installing the metal skid plates from Ford on my 22 Bronco. And I found out why this is for a modular bumper and not the plastic bumper. The plastic bumper has tow hooks in the front under the bumper, which is what these cutouts are for. The modular bumper has the tow hooks built into it. So I'm going to install those two pieces you're looking at right now, and then I'll work on the front metal skid plate. I have an idea. I hope it works. So I have the plastic skid plate on top of the metal skid plate. And how much shorter the metal one is quite surprising. I haven't seen a modular bumper up close. I no longer have a plastic bumper. I have an aftermarket bumper. Now, I actually got and painted, because at the time I couldn't find black ones, so I got red and painted them. These are modular bumper tow hooks, and I was planning on incorporating them into this aftermarket bumper, but it wasn't going to work. And I got the cheapest aftermarket bumper I could find that you could put a winch in, because I plan on making my own. I just ran out of warm enough weather to work outside in a non-heated garage. So now I gotta cut that out. So I'm gonna grab a hole saw and my portaband. Use a hole saw to drill out the corners. And you don't want to watch me do all this because it's boring. So I got that done. Now to try to portabend it and keep it in frame. I don't have much room to work here. I'm probably gonna have to cut off wheel that because capacity issues and cardboard. Alright, now I try and portabend. I gotta portabend this out, and then I gotta try and portabend the long edge. Just barely won't fit. And it almost wants to come back out. There. go with a Harbor Freight tool. Not that I got anything against the more expensive Harbor Freight stuff, like the titanium welder. It's not a bad shot. I'm using the Bronco to stabilize the camera. This thing's so hard to operate one-handed. This is dangerous. Don't try this at home. Do it at work. I missed. Pretty, oh, this ain't gonna work either. I gotta cut off wheel it. Yeah, I tried my best not to use cutoff wheels. Got a piece of copper in my eye, wearing safety glasses and a face shield. Let's see. Got a piece of steel in my eye, wearing safety glasses. But yet, on video, I was engulfed in a shower of sparks when I got a grinder stuck in a snowmobile carbide. And no safety glasses. And nothing in my eye. And I have this $30 Kawasaki angle grinder that I use for cutoff wheels, because when that grinder jammed, it bent the arbor, even though it's not supposed to be possible with SJS enabled Makita. Other downsides to cutoff wheels: make metal incredibly hot. They can shatter for no reason at all. If you attempt to use them as a grinding disc, they will shatter unexpectedly. I don't know if these parts are powder coated or painted. Doesn't seem like either. Is it both?